A creative genius, a woman of substance, a dancer choreographer with an eye for perfection and finesse. Shukla Kole's cultural journey till date has been memorable, making her a true ambassador of Indian art and culture worldwide. As a dancer, Shukla's specialization is in Kathak and Thali dance under the able guidance and mentorship of Guru Jyoti Prakash Mitra and the legendary Birju Maharaj, and she belongs to the Lucknow Gharana. Shukla also had a major stint with the Uday Shankar group, which enabled her to gain mastery over the Uday Shankar style of dancing under the able guidance of Srimati Amala Shankar. Shukla has travelled the world over, showcasing her dance and choreography skills. Mention worthy is the 7th Asian Games held in Tehran in 1974. She also extensively toured the then USSR in 1978 as a part of the Cultural Exchange Program of the Government of India under the tutelage of Srimati Amala Shankar. Shukla also conducted a workshop in contemporary dances and Uday Shankar style of dance at Boston, USA in the year 2007. Shukla's first tryst with China was at the International Cultural Fair at China Shenzhen in the year 2010, when her troupe performed with high appreciation. Next was at the International Music Festival, Shak Tarunalari, Uzbekistan, Samarkand, Resistance Square, in August 2011, where 68 countries from all over the world participated. The second trip to China happened when Shukla was once again invited to attend the 8th International Cultural Fair at Shenzhen in 2012, where her performance and choreography received accolades the world over. Shukla considers it a blessing to be a part of the presentation group of Srimati Amala Shankar on the occasion of the 80th birthday celebrations for His Holiness Sri Sri Satya Sai Baba at Purthapurthi, Bangalore, and here she also choreographed and trained several young girls. Shukla Kole's brainchild and dance school is Beliaghata Sankalpa, which began its journey in 2005, imparting training in traditional Indian dance forms of different types, specializing in creative dance, Uday Shankar style of dancing, the Uday Dhara, folk dances of India, Robindra Nritya, contemporary dance. Till date, Beliaghata Sankalpa's cultural creative brilliance was evident through programs in Kala Mandir, Kolkata in November 2006, in 2007 in a program at Baliganj Siksha Sadan, in 2008 in an event at Gyan Manch based on the theme of positives and negatives of the world. In Kolkata, the school has also performed at the Customs Club, the Calcutta Club featuring Kathak, Uday Shankar style of dancing, folk dances and Tagore's dance dramas, Tashe Desh, Kal Mrigaya and Chitrangada, and also devotional dances. Beliaghata Sankalpa has also performed for premier television channels. In 2009 in Kala Mandir, Beliaghata Sankalpa's program on the life of Lord Krishna with nearly 200 participants was highly appreciated. December 2011, Beliaghata Sankalpa's classical, folk, Rabindra Sangeet and contemporary dance program was at Rabindra Sadan, where 275 students participated, leaving the audience spellbound. Shukla is a former faculty of Uday Shankar Indian Cultural Centre, run by Srimati Amala Shankar, and also of Udayan, run by Srimati Mamata Shankar, and presently she is associated with Diksha Manjari, Behala, Kolkata, where she teaches creative and classical dance forms, primarily Kathak. Beliaghata Sankalpa's latest brilliant initiative in 2013, in commemoration of the 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, is the Bile Hote Vivekananda dance drama, created by Shukla Kole and her team on special designation by the Ramakrishna Mutt, Baranagar. On 8th of February 2013, the first performance at Girish Manch, Kolkata was highly appreciated by the packed house, which was left speechless by the excellent choreography, sensitive lighting, magnetic audio-visual imagery on big screen, and fantastic performances by the cast and the dancers of Beliaghata Sankalpa, earning kudos to the entire team and its leader and mentor, Shukla Kole. The performance was specially applauded by the Baranagar Mutt Ramakrishna Mission authorities. Shukla Kole and Beliaghata Sankalpa, in the pursuit of cultural excellence, showcasing Indian art, culture, values and tradition, heralding the Indian legacy the world over, creatively, sensitively, and with true dedication and commitment.